This represents a methodical SEO dashboard. The rankings are stable, backlinks are growing, and the technical audit is clean. Yet the site traffic has just taken a sudden, steep drop. Analytics tools are tracking a growing trend of users who never reach a traditional search results page. A significant volume of consumers are now taking their queries directly to AI assistants, which means optimized rankings are being bypassed before a click can even occur. This diagram illustrates how the path of a query has changed. A standard Google search provides 10 external links for the user to evaluate. An AI tool like ChatGPT processes that same query and returns a single direct recommendation, often naming only one or two specific businesses. To capture the traffic moving through these new conversational channels, you have to adjust how your business presents its data. We will walk through the 5 specific steps required to audit your current AI visibility and update your signals so these models recommend you. Improving your visibility within AI models works alongside your existing SEO. While Google continues to drive a significant share of traffic, these 5 steps ensure you are visible to the segment of users who have moved away from traditional search engines. Step 1 is establishing a baseline for how AI currently perceives your business. You can measure this by testing conversational queries across platforms like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Google AI Mode. Open an AI chat interface and type out a request a human would actually use. Try 5 variations of the prompt, asking the model to recommend a specific service in your city or to suggest a provider for a common use case. Avoid using your specific brand name or the technical jargon found on your homepage. The goal of this test is to see how the AI handles discovery when a customer uses natural language and doesn't know your business exists yet. Read through the responses generated by these variations. The goal is to see if the AI names your business as a top recommendation or if it suggests a competitor instead. If the AI identifies a competitor as the primary recommendation, it confirms that your potential leads are being redirected. That missing traffic is actively following the AI's suggestion instead of scrolling through Google search results. Step 2 is updating your website to speak directly to AI agents. This requires adjusting both the outward-facing text and the underlying code to prioritize machine extraction. Standard SEO practices like keyword repetition and emotional sales copy often fail to register as actionable data for an AI. Large language models prioritize clear, verifiable facts over subjective claims about a company's mission or values. This comparison shows the difference between marketing prose and machine-ready data. On the left, a meta description reading "Discover the difference" offers 0 data. On the right, a description stating "Commercial plumbing repairs in Auckland, available 24/7, provides the AI with the exact location and service type it needs to make a recommendation. Step 3 is reinforcing these facts with JSON LD schema. This is a technical bridge that translates human-readable prose into a structured, machine-readable format. This diagram shows how standard paragraph text translates into structured code. To maximize AI visibility, you must populate 3 specific tags: local business, FAQ, and service schema. Providing your business details in this explicit format removes the need for an AI agent to guess what you do. The facts are presented in a way the model can easily verify and extract. AI agents do not evaluate pages like a traditional search engine. They scrape for verified data points to build enough confidence to make a single, specific recommendation to the user. Step 4 is establishing off-site corroboration. Once your website is updated, you must prove to the AI that your information is accurate by securing third-party validation. This diagram illustrates how AI agents cross-reference your site against other databases. The model checks platforms like your Google business profile, LinkedIn, Reddit, and Trustpilot to see if external data matches the claims on your own domain. Without these external nodes, the AI treats your business as unverified. It will typically skip your site in favor of a competitor who has multiple independent sources confirming their service area and quality. Step 5 involves checking for a technical barrier that can completely hide your site from AI models. Even with perfect data, many sites remain invisible because their security settings are configured to automatically block incoming crawler bots. Web hosts and platforms like Cloudflare or SiteGround often block scrapers like GPTbot by default. If your site is on one of these platforms, the AI assistants cannot read your content. You need to access your hosting provider or web application firewall and manually allow these specific scrapers. This ensures that the AI agents can access your structured data and descriptions without being blocked. If a model receives a 403 forbidden error when trying to scan your site, it cannot extract any of your updated signals. To the AI assistant, your business does not exist. Completing these 5 steps sets the foundation for your visibility. However, maintaining this presence requires a permanent change in how you monitor your business performance. This diagram represents the 2 dashboard reality. You should continue using your SEO dashboard to monitor traditional search rankings, but you must also implement a second dashboard to track your share of AI recommendations. The migration of users away from traditional search results and toward conversational AI assistants is a consistent, one-directional trend. Monitoring both channels is necessary to maintain a complete view of your visibility. Implement these 5 fixes immediately to address the gap in your traffic. Once the changes are live, schedule weekly tests to observe how the AI's recommendations shift in your favor. Reclaiming traffic requires aligning your site with the way AI models extract information. By adapting to these confidence-based algorithms now, you ensure your business is the one being recommended as these conversational platforms continue to grow.